how to use Prusaslicer's multi-material print settings. So first off, you obviously want to select the multi-material printer that you have. Setting up each color will help you understand what it's actually going to look like at the end, and making sure that your printer actually has the colors loaded in the correct order will save you some screw-ups in the future. As you can see right now, I've got first is white, second's black, then blue, red, and then finally I won't be using the last color. From there, you want to find whatever print you're going to do. In this case, I'm going to be loading in a sign that I made for my wife. Let's see, where is it? Here it is. Okay. Drag that in, lay it flat. It's clearly too big, so let me go ahead and resize that down to something that's going to fit. Let's see. I like that. 75. Yeah, that's good. And I didn't want to scale to Z. I wanted that to stay the same. So move it to away from your purge block, because that's going to be important. Alright. So from here, you want to choose your multi-material setting. Now, as you can see, there are 3 different options. You have your brush, your smart fill, and your bucket fill. Brush is like a brush. It'll have a sphere, circle, or triangles. This is for when you want to paint the image. Works best for things that are very complicated, that you need to get into nooks and crannies. For this, it's a very simple model, so I'm not going to need that. From there, I'm going to use bucket fill to color the entire print one color, but this being a text will be smart fill. Now, to change a color, you need to make sure that the colors are appropriately assigned in the first color or second color. First color will be left click, second color will be right click. So as you can see here, with smart fill, I right click on the border edge and turn it black. Now it will only fill into the sharp angles, so you'll have to go around on each side. Make sure you click it all, so top and perimeter. As you can see, it'll follow around on a curve and make it all look the color that you want. So from here, I'm going to time lapse. As you can see, I'm going consistently, trying to stay in a pattern to make sure that you don't miss a side, because it will only fill the side that you're looking at, or you click on at that point. So each time you do it, you need to do one side, shift your angle, continue clicking. Occasionally you'll see I'll misclick and turn the whole thing black. Just make sure you're ready with that undo button. I'd also recommend doing 2 at a time, since you can only have 2 colors selected. So right now I'm doing white and black, and then blue and red. From here, it's a simple matter of making sure your printer is set up how you want it, and that your purge block actually has enough clearance and isn't going to make contact with your print. Now, the purge block is set dynamically, so based off of the number of colors that you have, it will be larger or smaller accordingly.